falling, some rates in the fives. New contracts fell sharply this past week. It's Friday, March 24th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. The market shuddered last week and mortgage rates fell. Perhaps it's too early for buyers to realize this in the midst of all the upheaval. Let's look at the inventory activity over this past week. 983 homes are coming soon, swelling from last week. 492 homes came on the market, marking a steep decline from last week. 586 went under contract, also a market decline. 871 moved to pending, showing a drop here too. 878 sold, improving again this week to 12 days and holding steady at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell this past week was in Bethesda for $6,250,000. Rentals declined again this week to $1,886, holding at $2,200 per month and leasing in just 26 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, March 24th, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. Have a happy Maryland Day. I'll see you next week.